So what we'll do now, first we'll start with the sum. So first I will draw a vertical line, horizontal, and then I will draw a box. I'll draw 30 degrees, right? Length is how much? 120.
Sir,
Yes.
I can't see the screen, so can I leave and rejoin?
Yes, yes, yes. Join again, no problem. Height is 55 plus 15, so that is 70. And yes, 70. Yeah, 120, 70. So we'll take this dimension and we'll complete this box. See, it will be like this. So this is how it will come. So I'll just write the naming, like how many surfaces are there. One is this surface, then this is second surface, third surface, fourth surface. See, whenever you go for isometric, always you try and find out how many surfaces are there. The maximum you'll have is four surface. Remember, minimum you'll have two surface. मैक्स टू मैक्स 5 अगर बहुत डिटेल वाला आईसो होगा तो नहीं तो जनरली 90% चार तक ही होते हैं राइट सो इसमें 1 2 3 4 है सो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू डू फर्स्ट स्टेप कैन एनी वन ऑफ यू can tell me what should I do first once I will see this that okay there are four surfaces so I need to relate right so if I see in this first surface this part base plate right it appears as a base plate अभी ये आप थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाओ कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट में यहाँ ऊपर तो होगा नहीं ना ऐसा प्लेट ऊपर तो नहीं होगा ऐसा ये प्लेट नीचे ही होगा राइट सो ये सबसे नीचे है और मेरे पास में है बट हाउ विल यू गेट द कंफर्मेशन व्हेन यू सी टॉप व्यू यू विल सी अच्छा this entire thing see this entire thing is way down so how much is this height 15 so you take 15 15 right and from here I'll draw 15 like this so this is how I will draw plate always remember whatever is there in the front the same thing is behind so that you should keep in mind take yeah so when you're doing this so whatever is there in the front the same thing is behind so keep that in your mind you don't go for the 3D object पहले से ही because किसी को भी first step में ऐसा पूरा visualize नहीं होता just remember one thing because all these sums I have seen it so many number of times because I'm doing this subject from last 30 years it's not a I guess it's a quite long time. Like I'm doing this from last 30 years, so must have seen all the sums. But now, till date, whenever I see any new sum, I don't go for full visualization. I go step by step. Okay, this is the first step. So I will draw that first step. So in this case, how much it is? 20. So I will take 20. I'll go up. Here also 20. So this I will try and draw that first. Ki haan, chalo, this part is over. Now over here it's a radius. So radius we can draw it afterwards. First we need to do the structure. Got it? So you draw this, you go 70 behind and you do this first. Then if you see over here radius 15 is given. So rhombus would be of what size? 30. So you take 30 here, 30 here, 30 here, 30 here. You mark 30, 30, 30, 30. I don't know who started. Wait. Now this is how it will come. 30, 30. Then we'll draw the longest diagonal. We'll mark midpoint, midpoint from this point. Here also longest diagonal. midpoint, midpoint. This we can do. All of you are with me till now? Is there any problem? This is point one, right? So from point one, I can draw this arc. This is point one, but we don't require this arc. This we require. So I'll write point two, and I'll draw this. How much radius we should take till m? जो m तक रहता है ना midpoint. Now we want the same thing down also. Now same thing down. So from point one you go down by how much? 15. From 2 you go down by how much? 15. And again copy the same radius. 1 से ये जो रेडियस ले आना वो नीचे 15 जाके वापस वो रेडियस बना दो तो आपको ऐसा आएगा. 2 से you go down by 15, again you draw curve, it will be like this. Then what you need to do? You need to draw tangent. So this is how you will get your main object. Got it? Any doubt up till now? See, this thing is full like this, so I can draw this much. This I can't draw dark. Why? Because I don't know all this part we still need to draw. And there is one line inside also. This line is going inside, na, 30 degrees. So ye bhi jayega. So this is how we will draw part one. So I want everyone to draw this part one. Okay. So this part two. If you see part two, the yellow portion, pink portion. Where is this pink portion in top view? It's here, right? It's here. So what do we need to do? We need to draw, how much is this? 70 minus 40. How much it is? 30. So we'll mark 30. Right? We'll take 30 from here, or from behind I can take 40. See, from here I can take 40. What I need to draw, this is called drawing surfaces, because I know that this part 2 is not here, it's behind. So that's why I'm going 30 behind, or from behind I can take 40. I think it will be with this same line, rhombus wala line only. So this is how it will come. See, this is how it will come. So this is 40, this is 30, and this is 120. Right? This part 2. Part 2 is how much behind? 30 behind. So I can take 30, and see, this is what I have done. So you should always draw this surfaces. So always first important thing is what? You need to know how many surfaces are there. Second, which one is ahead, which one is behind. And when you're drawing it, you draw full surface. See, I'm drawing it full surface. Then I will take a midpoint. Then how much is this? 80. So you take 40 here, 40 here. Right? You got this part. Again, take midpoint. How much is this? 50. So you take 25 here, 25 here. And then what you need to do? You need to join this. This is how it will come. Got it? Now, whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. We'll keep the same logic. See, our logic will remain same. We're not changing the logic. So I have to go behind by how much? 40, 40, 40. This is how I will get the trapezium part. Got it? All of you got this? With this circle and everything, we'll do it afterwards. Then we'll see part 3. If you see part 3 is this. Part 3 and part 4 are identical. Where is part 3 in top view? Here. 10. So what I will do, I will take 10 from here, and again I'll follow the same method. Surface. Got it? Same way here also. I guess behind portion you won't be able to see. So this is what we need to draw. Then we know that, okay, whatever is dark, this portion, this portion. Wait. I'm doing some error. Hmm. See, I have I have taken 10 and I have done that box, right? I'll just do that box spelling. This is the box, right? Now this I'm what I've done is wrong. So it should be from here to here. Because if you see in front view, it's slope, na? Got it? This is how it will come. Any doubt, anyone? And this is like this. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it or not. That you people need to tell me. Something like this. So can you all do this? Have you got it? What I'm doing right now? Try this. Then they've given a radius 25, 50. So 25, 25. So 15, 15. So you need to draw. These two line will also come. That circle we will do it afterwards. This is how you'll get part 2, 3, and 4. All of you are with me in this? So what you need to do, first you need to find the center point, draw line like this, plus ki tarah. Then you take 50, 25, 25, 25, 25 on all four sides and you draw this rhombus. After drawing rhombus, you draw longest diagonal and you draw midpoint ka line from 1, 2, 3, 4. ऐसे चार मिलेंगे points. Barabar? So we'll be using only point number 1 and 3. 2 and 4 won't be that useful. So what I will do, from 1 to M, this is point M. 1 to M, you draw arc. See this, 1 to M, you can draw arc. Like this. Then this point is there. From 3 to M, again you draw arc. So this is how it will come. Then what you need to do? You need to take it behind. How much you will go behind? You will go behind from point 1, you will go behind by 40. 1 dash. So take this radius, ये जो radius है ना 1 से ये वाला, वही same लेके 1 dash पे रख के again you can draw arc. So this is how it will come. So you draw this, and after this, once you're done with this, then you can draw center line. Sorry, it's very dark. You can find the center of this, right? Center दिया है ना, और यहाँ से 15. You get a point. Again you take 7.5, 7.5, 7.5, 7.5. Same method. You draw rhombus, longest diagonal, midpoint, like this. And from point to 1, 2, 3, 4, see from this point, you can draw this arc. From this opposite point, you can draw this arc. From this point, you can draw this arc. And from this point, you can draw this arc. Afterwards, ये जो पॉइंट है उसको नीचे लेके जाओ. कितना नीचे लेके जाओ? हाइट कितना है? 10. So from here you go down by 10. Again you draw arc. So it will be like this. See if you can draw this much. If you have any query, let me know. I will solve.